Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm about to reveal 10 incredible ways to remove backgrounds in Photoshop. And trust me, whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is going to change the way you edit forever. Have you ever struggled with messy edges, complex backgrounds, or spent hours trying to get that perfect cutout? By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools and techniques to handle any background like a Photoshop wizard. Wow. So grab your coffee, fire up Photoshop, and let's dive straight into these game-changing tips. The first method is using the Properties panel once your image is open. Just click on the lock to unlock the layer, then go the window, and you can see here the Properties options. Now click on Remove Background, and boom, background is removed. But remember, this trick is only worked on simple background or solid color background. Now let's see the second method. We have the channels method. Go to the channels panel and select the blue one and just drag and cope it and then preset Control and L key and make the subject fully black and background fully white. Once you're done, just press OK and then hold the Control key and click on the layer thumbnail. Now, select the RGB layer, click on Layer Options, unlock the layer, and then hit Delete key. Did you know you can use blending options to remove backgrounds? Just unlock the layer, then double-click your layer to open Layer Style, and use the Blend If sliders to isolate your subject from the background. You can see background already gone. Hit OK, right-click, and then select Convert to Smart Object. Done. The object selection tool is perfect for detailed selections. Just place the mouse cursor over the subject or simply draw a rectangle or lasso around your subject, and Photoshop will do the hard work for you. And then click on the layer mask, and it's done. Now go to the toolbar on the left and select the polygonal lasso tool. Zoom in slightly for better precision by pressing Ctrl and plus key. Click along the edges of the box to create points. Continue clicking along all edges of the box until you come back to the starting point. Once you've outlined the box completely, now just click on the layer mask, and it's done. Photoshop Select Subject tool is a game changer. Go to the Select menu and choose Select Subject. Photoshop will identify the main subject automatically. Refine the edges using the Select and Mask workspace to get a clean cutout. Follow with me and then hit OK. Go to Select Menu, then click on Color Range. Now, click on the background color. Then, make the background fully white and subject fully black. Follow me. When it's completely done, then just unlock the layer and then hit Delete key and boom, background removed. Go to Window, then select Actions and then Play Actions, and it's done. Actions download, link in the comment box. Just select Magic Wand tool and then click on the background and then hit Delete key. Remember, this method is only for solid color background. Select the pen tool. For precise control, the pen tool is unbeatable. Draw a path around your subject by clicking and dragging to create curves. Once the path is complete, right-click and then make selection, hit OK and follow me. And hit OK. This method is ideal for objects with clean edges.